Good morning to all the AKTU consortium members. So this is a training video for all the members of AKTU Pharmacy Consortium. So I will start with the training. So in order to access our books, we need to go to the web link. Actually, there are two options of entering our accessing our content. That is, one is via the username password, which has been shared by the AKTU consortium head, and also via institutional IP. So first I will show it via the username password, and then we'll go to the IP base. So now in order to access the username via username password, this is the web address, that is ebookstore.bspublications.net slash authorize slash login. So once you put this web link, you'll get a page like this. So here you need to put the registered username password which has been given to each and every college in the consortium member. It will be viewable only in that registered email ID, registered username basically. So first I will try. Uh, this is one of the members. Username password has been provided to you. If some of them are not having, they can contact me. After the password has been entered, you have to sign in. And after you sign in, this is the page you have to get it, where you can see that Nalanda e-consortium has been, the image has come here. That means you are able to access the content which has been given to the consortium members. Now, as you can see, this is our logo, this is our BSP books, this is the main home page, and all the contents can be classified author-wise, as you can see here. Like directly, you can go to the required author if you know the author, which is there in our subscribe content. Then there is category wise you can go, like somebody wants to go to industrial engineering. So these are the titles in industrial engineering which have been activated for Nalanda e-consortium. And also publisher wise because basically we have two imprints, so both the publications which are subscribed have been given here. Like Pharma Metrics is for the pharmacy books. So these are the titles. Uh, Once you go back to the home page by clicking here, uh, you will be able to see the page, the main page. Here in my publications, you will be able to see all the subscribed content. That is 149 books which have been given to the consortium members. As you can see, more and more books will come. What we have done is we have given some books which we have in EPUB and some in PDFs. So some books will be there in PDF as well as EPUB. So maximum books are in PDFs. Some of them are EPUBs also. So wherever EPUBs are there, you also have a simultaneous PDF of that book also. Like you can see here. So all the 149 books will be loaded. You can see here. See, now you can see all the books have been loaded. Uh, you can scroll down and up, all the books are here. Uh, so some books we are also given the PDF as well as the EPUBs. So as you can, I'll show you one more. See, this book here, This is a PDF book and this is an EPUB book. So for the benefit of the readers, we have given both the type. Wherever we have EPUBs, we have given EPUBs, and wherever PDFs are there, PDFs. So both of, and in some publications where we have both, we have given both. So as you can see, this title, Safety and Health in Industry Handbook, Mr. A.M. Sharma. So as you can see here, these many copies are available for the entire consortium members. That means these many people can view it simultaneously. And you can see the entire content of the book, like whatever about the book features and all these things about the author. You can also share details about the book to via WhatsApp, Twitter, and all the other links are there. And as we have on 149 books here, so it becomes very difficult to search each and every time. So you can have a feature here as add to favorites. If you click here as add to favorites, so quickly there is one more feature where all the favorites are listed. So in the 149 books, you can whichever books are very important to you, you can make it as add to favorite. So you don't need to go again and again searching and again. So this is how you can make to add to favorites. Now, as this is a PDF book, I'll show how it opens. So you should be able to see here read, and if you click here, the book is opened. It opens like this. You can see the content here, the title page. That is the title of the book, and this is the PDF in the PDF version. So now you have zoom in and zoom out features here, and you can also have a feature of page fitting. Like if you do it, it will cover the entire screen, and this is the normal feature. And we also have a feature here wherein we can have a night mode and a day mode. This is the day mode. In night mode, it becomes black. The outline becomes black, so it is more soothing to the eyes. Now we can come back again to the light mode, and we have three options of viewing the PDFs. One is horizontal scrolling. Horizontal scrolling is you have to scroll like a book, page after page. And you can maximize here, and it continues like that. And one more next feature is double page. Like how is uh, the book mode? Uh, you can maximize and you can see. So here, uh, and the last feature is the vertical scrolling. In this, you have to just slide it down, like how you read a PDF. So this is the entire table of contents. You can see it. So these are the options of viewing page layouts. Once the page layouts are over, we can go to the next, which is called as a table of contents. So these are the table of contents. There are 14 chapters. So you can directly go to the chapter, 10th chapter you can go here, and you can see the entire chapter like this. After this, we have some good features like which will be useful for students. So you can highlight here like one para here in any of the four colors here, like pink. So you can have a color coding for different type of material they want, like You can have a yellow coat for something and red coat like for some definitions. You can have one code for explanation of the definition. You can have some more codes. That way you can do it. So across the book you can do the highlights, and this like this. You can highlight here a yellow color like this. So basically all the highlights. Uh, so here are the highlights. So we can do color coding also, like all the pinks one side, all the yellows one side. And once all the highlights across the book are ready, you can also export it. So the entire all the highlights are exported like this. And the next feature is we can also do translation. Like once you are here, like you are highlighted here, there are 3 4 options here. That is, first is you can make a note. Note that this it's an important definition. You can make like definition like this. Definition. So a node comes up here, and it can tell what is the exact node you have put for this highlight. So this is one of the features. Uh, one more feature is after the node, you can do citations. Like we have 4 or 5 citations are there, and you can also copy the text and you can paste it in any word or anything. This para will come there, and you can also translate. Uh, like we have around all the international language and also Indian languages here. Uh, so I can try here with Hindi. So the entire translation comes here, and it is useful for people who are coming from rural background and they can understand the exact meaning of their regional languages. So after this, we have one more feature that is it is called as a read aloud in English. So this is the feature here. The paragraph which has been selected here, it can be read aloud. Can read aloud in English.
Person who intends to commence the manufacture, or carry on business as manufacturer or dealer, of any dangerous machine, shall have to apply for issue of a license to the controller.
So as you have heard it, it reads in English. So that also will help people in understanding how the pronunciation of English language and everything. Uh, After this, we have one more feature. This is the search option. You can search the book, any any topic, any word. You can search it. Manufacturing you are doing, so it searches all the manufacturing. You can also have this full screen, and there is a slider below where you can directly go from different pages like this. And also there is one more feature like thumbnails you can put. Like directly you can book that page. So these are the features of the PDF reader. I hope you have understood all the features. Uh, Now we'll go and open a EPUB reader. So the PDF and the EPUB are little different. As you know, EPUB is generally a more readable option. It is generally standard feature for all the ebooks. So this is we'll open an ebook now, which is a EPUB, the EPUB format. So this is the title, Organic Chemistry, a Comprehensive Approach. So, as you know, this table of contents can be opened here directly. Again, you have a night feature and a theme feature, night and day feature. So, in night feature, it becomes black. So, it's more soothing for reading the book. Now, we can go to table of contents, which is basic organic chemistry. So, this is a chapter. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can make it like all the other features remain the same, like you can highlight the text in different colors, then you can have citations, translations as I've explained in a PDF book. So it gets translated in Hindi here, and you can also listen to the selected paragraph.
Organic chemistry is the major branch of chemistry which deals with the scientific study of preparation, structure, properties, composition, and reactions of carbon-containing compound.
So these are the features. You can also do a favorite here. And the highlights and everything remains the same. You can get it all the highlights color coding wise. This is the like we have I've shown you both a PDF book and a EPUB book in our platform. And also as I told you my favorites it comes here. Uh, so two books which we have listed as favorites will come here. So these are two books which have become which are shortlisted as my favorites, and they have come here. And also you can go to accounts. You can fill your details here, the college details. And there is also one more feature here, my reading statistics. If you click here, you can come to know whoever has opened what all books time wise. Like today, how many of them are opened yesterday, and duration spent, session spent, everything you can come to. So in a college, you can come to know what is the usage you are having, students, how many students are using it, and if the usage is less, you can try to improve it. So this feature will help you in understanding the usage of the content. And there is also a help feature here. You can write to me like anything other, and you can write if you want able to access anything, not able to access content along with your I want the registered email ID. So we can put the email ID and like vktu1055 and send it. And then a mail will come to me and I'll respond it. If you have any other any doubts, you can clear it. So this is it. Uh, you can update the password also here. You can update here. You can update your password here. this is it. So if anybody has any other doubts, you can mail me. I'll send my mail. Thank you for the time given to me.